This topic is operation on integers. Operation on integer means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. So let us try to understand what are integers. This is a number line and I have marked 1, 2, 3, 4 in the right hand side. They are all positive numbers, and towards the left side I have marked negative numbers. So all positive plus all negative and 0 together is a set of integers. In our junior grades we have learned addition of positive numbers, these numbers, operation on positive numbers. But now we are going to learn how we perform operations on these negative numbers plus these numbers taken together along with 0. So we will be learning this, and this topic is really important if you want to have the complete understanding of algebraic expressions. So here we are going to learn what are the rules for addition and how do we add the numbers or integers. So there are just 4 situations which will come across, and all those 4 situations I am discussing. The first question has positive, both the numbers positive. Second question has both the numbers negative. In the third question, first one is positive whereas the second one is negative, and the opposite is in the fourth case, that is first one is negative and second one is positive. So I have written the rule. You will note down this rule because you will have to come to this page quite often and go through this rule. Initially that happens to many students, that's why I am saying. When both the signs are same, in the example 1 and 2 you can see both are positive and both are negative. So when both the signs are same, add the numbers and give the same sign. That means you will add these two, so 13, 8 plus 5, 13, and positive. So usually we don't write positive sign. I have written just to make you understand. Again here add these numbers and give the same sign, means give negative sign. Now when the signs are different, the rule changes. Give the sign of greater number and subtract the two numbers. What does that mean? Out of the two numbers, the greater number is 8, so you have to give the sign of a positive number, that is a greater number, that is positive sign, and subtract the 2. So 8 minus 5 is 3. In this case the greater number is 8 but the sign is negative, so give here negative sign and write the difference of the two, subtract the 2. I hope my explanations so far are clear to you. In case any doubt, you can watch the video again. Now moving to the next part. Here we are going to solve few questions based on what we have learned, the addition rules. The question said add. That means everywhere it is positive signs, it can be written or it may not be written. The number is negative 4, negative 7, negative 3, 9 or positive 9. So adding, if the numbers are same, give the same sign and add the 2, 11. Numbers are different, give the sign of greater number, that is plus, and find the difference. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Signs are different, give the sign of greater number, minus, as 9 is greater, and write the difference of the two. This is positive 10 and 9, so positive sign, and 10 minus 9 is 1. And this is negative, both the signs are same, so you have to give the same sign and add the 2. In this way, you will do these questions as homework if you have understood, and send me on WhatsApp. Sometimes the numbers can be written horizontally and you are asked to add, like -7 plus -9, which can also be written as -7, -9. You can see here there is no positive sign, but this is supposed to be added. So -7 and -9, both the signs are same. Give negative sign and add the 2, that is 16. Similarly, in the question number 17, you have +20 and -9. So we will give the positive sign, and 20 minus 9, we will find the difference of the two, that is 11. We usually don't write positive signs, you can cancel this. Now -8 and +9, so positive sign, and 9 minus 8 is 1. -7, +3, so -7, so 7 is greater number of the two, so give the minus sign, and then 7 minus 3 is 4. -3 and -5, both the signs are same, so it will be -8. It can also be written as this, but this is also very common feature that you will find. It will be written most of the time like this only. I hope this was also clear. Now let us check these questions where algebraic terms have been used. -2x, -3x. You have to simplify. That means you have to add. So -2 and -3 both are to be added. So -5, and x is there, so it is x. +7 and -8. So it will be negative, because 8 is greater, so negative sign, and 8 minus 7 is 1. We don't write 1x, we simply write -x. Here it is 11, +11 and -5. So 11x minus 5x is 6x. Likewise, you will do the remaining questions, and if you have any difficulty, I will explain. So in this particular case, start adding from left hand side and start -2 and -7. When added, that gives you -9 and +5. -9 and +5 will give you -4. Similarly, in this case, -3 and +5, that will give you +2. And then you have to add -6 to that. So +2 and -6, 6 is greater, so negative sign, and 6 minus 2 is 4. I hope you understood it, so you can do these questions and tell me if you have any difficulty. You can let me know. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.